Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the directory, how the directory they rule over France. Okay, in the previous in the previous video, I have discussed that how uh, Maximilian Robespierre was executed. All right, and his reign we used to call as a reign of terror. All right, and after the execution of Maximilian Robespierre, the rule of Jacobian comes to an end. Okay, just see here. Now the Jacobians were no more in power. The power once again shifted in the wealthier member of the society. All right, and you will see that Jacobians was the name of a club. Okay, and these Jacobians they belong to the poorer section of the society. All right, and these poorer section of the society they formed a club. Their leader was Maximilian Robespierre. But when Maximilian Robespierre he introduced the reign of terror, okay, all the people they were turned against him, and at last he was executed. And after his execution, Jacobians they lose their power, and power once again shifted to the wealthier member of the society. All right. Now look here, when Jacobians came into the power, they changed the constitution, and when they lose the power, again the constitution was changed. A new constitution came into existence, and this new constitution was introduced. Again, the non-propertied section of the society was denied to vote. Okay, when Jacobians they were in the power, they given that right to the non-property sections that they can able to give vote. But this new constitution they just taken the power from non-property section of the society, this non-property section of the society. All right, according to new constitution, a directory and an executive of 5 members was made to safeguard against the concentration of power. Look here, in the past they have seen that how Maximilian Robespierre he introduced the reign of terror. Why? Because the power was concentrated in the hand of one person, and for that reason this time constitution given the power to directory as well as an executive of 5 members. ओके इससे क्या हुआ होगा दैट द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ पावर शुड नॉट बी कॉन्सेंट्रेट इन वंस हैंड. Power should not be concentrate in one's hand. But here also they faced lot of problem here due to lot of clash between the directory and the legislative council. The legislative council sought to dismiss them. Now what happened here, directory and the executive body, okay, there were 5 members, and the 5 members, okay, they can't able to take the decision unanimously, and for that reason it's very difficult for them to reach to a decision. As a result, many times conflict occurred between the directory as well as the legislative council. Legislative council later on dismiss the directory. अब फिर से क्या हुआ, in France the political instability started. This brought a political instability in France and proved the way for military dictatorship. And who came as a military dictatorship? Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay, he came in France as a military dictatorship.